Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Throne and Liberty game login issues. Guys, first open up your end browser and just search for this website and just open up this website. Now here you are able to see your game server status. Now just select your server region, then just select your server. Then you are able to see if your server is in maintenance or in good. Now if your server is in maintenance, then just wait for it to commit back to the normal or in good. Now if your server isn't good, so maybe problem with your internet. So let's see how we can fix it. The first solution is check server status. Then the second solution is clear cache. Clearing the game or launcher cache can help resolve temporary data issues. Delete the cache from the game settings or manually create it from your system. Now go to the Windows search and just type here the run and just open it. Now here just type the temp. So once you type it, then just click on the OK. Now here you will see all the junk files or the cache files. Right click on all of these, then just click on the delete. First you have to just select these, then just delete these. Then open up the run again, then just type here the percentage, temp percentage. Then hit OK. Now here you will also see the junk files or the cache files on your PC. So you just need to delete them all. So just select them all and just delete. Now go to the Windows search again, type here the disk cleanup and open it. Now just select your C disk, then just click on the OK. Now here just check all of these boxes, which is the delivery optimization files or the temporary files or the recycle bin or the any other. So once you select all of these, then just click on OK, then just delete all of these files because these are also the junk or cache files. Now check your problem is fixed or not after that. Now the third solution is disable VPN or proxy. So you just need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. So go to the Windows search and type here the proxy settings and open it. Now here just scroll down and you will see the manual proxy setup. So you just need to make sure that this option is off on your PC, and you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. Then check. Now the fourth solution to fix this problem is verify game files. You already know this is very common fix, so you can also try this fix. Then check. Now the fifth solution is update the game. Ensure that your game is fully up to date as patches often fix login issues. Then check. Now the sixth solution is check firewall or antivirus. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus is not blocking your game. So go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows security and open it. Click on the virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on the manage ransomware protection. Now here just turn it off. This is not necessary. Then just go back and launch the game. Then check your problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can also turn off the Windows protection, then check. Now the seventh solution to fix this problem is network troubleshooting. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection to ensure stable network connectivity, then check. Now the eighth solution is contact support. If none of the above work, then solution were reaching out the game customer support for further assistance is recommended. Now check. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.